to the next phase, which is the connected references. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the connected references. Let's go ahead and say no to this. Here it is, connected references. Basically, what we're saying here, you see that what's happening here, it's telling us that there is something missing in this particular drawing as far as the external references, and it's asking me, what is it that you want to do about that, okay? Then I can say, okay, let's go ahead and open up the external references palette, okay, which opens up this particular item, and this is what we're looking at. This is actually a new button that actually allows us to see. For example, here it's turned off. You can't see that there's something missing. We only know that this one's giving us a particular warning symbol. Okay, if we turn it on, it goes back. Now you'll notice that it's an implied tree structure. It's an implied tree structure. If we turn it off, remember you have the ability to go ahead and see this in tree structure or in lists form. Okay. Okay, but don't remember, you don't want to confuse this. Okay, and any way or form, because once this is up, this is going to be turned blue, and you can select whatever list that is there that you need to clarify. Once you have the object selected that you want to clarify, you come to either discard the selection or the connection, or go ahead and update the selection. It goes in. It's actually asking me where is this particular this particular item, and I'm going to tell her, okay, it's right here. That's the one I want, and I'm going to say open, okay. And once that's done, it's going to go and say zero out. So now it's saying there are no more references that are missing. Why? Because it's now come to in here. So we now have it here. If we turn it off, it's telling me that that little warning sign next to Jim Stairs has been now repathed to this particular drawing right here that we have. And in which case, what do we see? We see the fact that the particular drawing now has our new wall or external reference that was missing is now in place. Only one thing that I do want to tell you is be careful with your dimensions, because sometimes they could get ruined. Okay, let's go ahead and move forward.